wish I had something to read. Shampoo bottle or something. Hey, honey. Yeah, what is it, Grandma? Can you take me right to the store? Yeah, just a minute. You gonna be long? Am I gonna be long? No, I'm gonna be like normal human time. Na 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 na. Oh, hey, Boozhoo. I was just sitting here and thinking about what I might want to say for the podcast. And then it came to me, sit, abin, abin. But then, like, let's say, what if you want to tell a bunch of people to sit? You'd say, a big, a bin, sit, a big, you people sit. Now let's say you want to say sit down, right? You'd say, nabadabin, sit down. And then let's say you want to tell a whole bunch of people to sit down. You'd be like, hey, you people, nabadabig, sit down. You're causing a ruckus. Yeah, okay. I don't know, is this really a show? Maybe I should talk about culture. You know, the Anishinaabe people, we're a very private people. There are some things we only do in private. We don't even, make a podcast while we're doing it. Okay, well, tune in next week when the special word's going to be privacy, eh? Okay, let's see. Where's that toilet paper?